It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the lovely house of Prada with Paradoxe. Y'all, I have been hearing all kinds of chatter in fragcom. It's a funny word, it cracks me up. In the fragrance community, for those of y'all who don't know what fragcom is, about the newest release from the house of Prada, Paradoxe. Now, you know, when Prada releases a fragrance, everybody has to get their nose on it because Prada has a reputation for bringing the heat. Now, I must say, I personally do not own a single Prada fragrance because I have yet to smell one that I like, mainly because they're too mature smelling for me. I prefer things that are fruitier and more gourmand, and I'm not aware of Prada having anything with the exception of Candy, which I don't like that much. I like Candy Kiss. That is one that I do like, but I don't own it. I don't like it enough to buy it because that one has some type of weird hairspray smell to it. I don't know what that note is, but if it weren't for that, I would like Prada Candy. Instead, I go with Kayali Musk 12 because it's a musk dominant fragrance, very similar to Prada Candy without the hairspray smell. But I digress. Anywho, let's get into this Paradoxe. The packaging is nice and pink in true Prada fashion. So all those P's. Prada Paradoxe passion in true Prada fashion. And I do like the shape of the bottle. Of course, it won't stand upright, but you have to lay it sideways. But it's really cute. It actually reminds me of Guess fragrance. It looks like the Guess logo to me. Anybody else think that? Let me know in the comments. Say Guess if you think it looks like a Guess bottle. The top is nice and secure. Now let's see what this smells like. Okay, I'm gonna have to let this dry down because at first whiff, it is a no-no. What are the notes? It's got quite a few notes in here. Pear, tangerine, bergamot, orange blossom, jasmine sambac, neroli essence, bourbon vanilla, white musk, amber, and benzoin. Now I'm gonna be honest, this was a blind buy only because of all the hype that I've been hearing about it. I'm like, it must be wonderful. Let's see. These notes are a bit common in my opinion. There are no standout notes, nothing that would be rare in perfumery. Many fragrances, especially at the local department store, has scents that have a lot of these notes. None that are too offensive with the exception of that jasmine. Y'all know I don't like jasmine. It just goes so salty on me. But everything else seems to be okay. Benzoin, depending on how much is used, everything else seems to be pretty good. With the exception of the smell. Y'all, this is probably the most basic smelling fragrance I've smelled all year. For this to be a Prada, I am honestly disappointed because I was really expecting to like this just because of it being the newest release from them in quite some time. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell special. It is not special enough to warrant a price tag of over $100 even for a small bottle. I like it, but not enough to keep it. The price tag isn't warranted. It smells like so many other things that I've already smelled and so many other things you can get for half or even less than half the price. So that said, Prada Paradoxe is not staying in my collection, but at least I had a chance to get my nose on it. It is nice. It is nice. It smells nice enough to where it won't offend anyone. It's got a nice fruity powderiness, but again, for it to be a Prada, I was expecting it to bring the heat. And sadly, they honestly just could have kept this one. I don't need another easy reach fragrance. And that's what that falls under the easy reach category. Oh, I'm just running out. I'm going to go do some errands. This is not something you wear to be that girl if you are trying to command a room. And, you know, I'm all about commanding the room. But let me know, do you like Prada Paradoxe enough to keep it? Do you believe that it's worth the price, or are they charging over $100 for a bottle just because of the name? Let me know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita and you have an awesome day. Bye.